And today we are going to talk about how to help your kiddo if they're having difficulties catching a ball, and why it could be their ability to use their eyeballs and their vision with their hands. You guys need to know about catching a ball and why it's so important for your kiddo to have an integration between their eyes and their hands is when a moving object is coming towards their face, you obviously want your kiddo's hands to catch the ball instead of having them close their eyes, flinching, or turning away. This little exercise may help. So as a ball is coming towards your face, your eyeballs are going to go from further away to closer together. So your eyeballs are actually going to go inward, pointing towards your nose. And if a kiddo's eye muscles aren't exactly developed, or maybe they're weak like any other muscle group in our body, you may just have to retrain those muscles to work together. And so one of the exercises you can do is you can grab a playground ball, an 8 to 10 inch brightly colored ball, either green, red, or yellow. Those colors are going to be easier for a kiddo to identify. Their eyes are going to have to work less hard with bright colors. And so what you're going to do is, if the kiddo is sitting right here, you're going to stand 4 to 5 feet away. And as you bring the ball towards their face, you're going to say, eyeballs on the ball, eyeballs on the ball, eyeballs on the ball, eyeballs on the ball, eyeballs on the ball. And every time they look away, you're going to cue them to bring their eyes again to the ball. That's going to cue those muscles to be able to work together as the object is moving closer. When you get right to their nose, I want you to bop them on the nose, and likely the kiddo will just burst out in fits of laughing. That's going to do two things. It's going to increase their ability to have physical input, so they're going to understand, like, okay, when the ball is straight at my face, bonking my nose, that touch, that sensation is going to give them input, know where the ball is in space. And it's also going to teach them that balls are safe and they're not necessarily to be feared. And so they will be more confident in being able to close or to open their eyes as a ball comes towards them. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this 5 to 6 times, going slowly and cueing them to keep their eyeballs on the ball, bopping them in the nose, slowly, 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 bop them on the nose, slowly, 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 bop them on the nose. And then you're going to retest their ability to catch a ball. So before you do this exercise, you want to make sure that the kiddo is able to catch a ball or not able to. You're either way, you just want to collect data. So try to kind of throw them a ball from 4 to 5 feet away. See if they can catch it about 5 times. If they're able to catch it 2 out of 5 times, that's great. Retest the catching. So give them 5 more attempts to catch and see if that number has improved at all. If it hasn't, you may want to try this exercise 4 to 5 times a week and see if that improves their accuracy at all. I definitely see a great ability and improvement in my kiddos that I work with in the school district.